to show you this lipstick, what it looks like, because I would definitely say this is an autumn lipstick. There is loads of different colours in here, and then this is the eyeshadow.
Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. Today's video is going to be a autumn/fall makeup tutorial. Well, not tutorial, but me doing my eyeshadow and lipstick. And yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so we're going to do it a different way. I'm actually facing my mirror right now, right here. So the products that I have is this one, this one, this one, and then just this, and this lipstick. So pretty much it is all Too Faced makeup except from this. So let's get to it. I'm going to apply this first. Next thing to do is apply pretty much the primer to my eyes. Then I get a brush, get this brush. So now I'm going to put my eyeshadow on. So I just wanted to show you the colours I'm going to use. I'm going to use this one here, what's called Extra Spicy, and then this one what is called Gingerbread Glam, and then I may use a bit of the glitter one, what's called Lick the Spoon. So let's get to it. Okay, so I'm just going to get started pretty much. I'm going to do my typical brushes I normally use. That is this one and this one. I may need to use another type of brush, but we will see. But let's get to it. I'm going to start with the Extra Spice, the orange one, and that's just gonna go on my lid. It actually matches the colour of my jumper, what I love. I've never chucked this jumper away. I've had it for like years. So on to the next eye. I always do one eye darker than the other, and then I mess it up because I'm trying to make it even. This is why I'm not a makeup artist. Okay, I think that is pretty much it for that eye. And now for the Gingerbread Glam. I'm just putting this around the colour I've just done, so it just gives it a little more shape. Comment down below like what's your favourite makeup look to do for autumn or fall. Same thing, but like depends where you come from. That means different words. Now onto the other side. Now, because that's made it look mostly brown, or like dark brown, I need to add a bit of colour, like the orange again. So let's do that. So this is what it looks like for now. And yeah, let's get into the orange bit again. Okay, so again I'm using this brush. I'm just dabbing a little bit. I'm going to put a little bit of this in a peach, I think pinch, on as well to like brighten it up a bit, because it is very dark. It's more a October look, or autumn is still in October, but we don't want it to look like Halloween. So I'm going to put a little bit of that colour, just to like blend it out. It's definitely making it a little bit better. Okay, now we've done the eyeshadow, let's get to the mascara. So before I do that, I need to actually curl my lashes. So we're going to curl them. I normally do them 2 times if I haven't done it properly. So now the Better Than Sex mascara. Okay, so the last and final thing to do is put the lipstick on. So that lipstick wasn't actually going on properly, so I've got this one. I'm pretty sure this came with that. I can't remember, but I rarely use this. This is definitely an autumn lipstick though. So let's do it. It looks like that. Okay. Let's get into transformation. Okay, so this is what the final look is. I don't really use this lipstick that much because it makes my chin go a little bit red because I can't apply it properly. But this is a lipstick. And if you didn't see, it looks like that, wrong way around. And then this is the eyeshadow. So it is a very dark look and autumn colour. Definitely goes with this. I don't know if I would definitely not pair it with this and that, but I just thought to show you this lipstick what it looks like, because I would definitely say this is an autumn lipstick. And there is loads of different colours in here, so you don't have to just do an autumn look. You can do like a glitter look or a pink look, because there is 2 pink colours in there, and I may do that at some point, so comment down below if you would like that. And yeah, let's get into the outro. Did you like it? Did you like it? Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope to see you next time. Don't forget to like, comment, because I love interacting with you guys. And if you're not already, you like beauty videos and you like fashion videos and sometimes lifestyle, hit subscribe, because that's all I do. Beauty, fashion and a bit of lifestyle. So yeah, bye.